Ramat Baba, who is a chief dealer in charge of fixed income at FBN Quest Merchant Bank, one of the investment banks on Broad Street. Ramat, welcome to the program, live to us from FMDQ Exchange Place in downtown Lagos. So let's choose some.
Good morning.
Treasuries market. Thank you so much for coming. What's the opening call for today on fixed income?
Yields have trended lower. Last week we saw demand coming into the market for the long-dated papers. I think that's majorly from the offshore guys, and that was actually following the announcement of the renewal of the CBN governor's appointment. The demand actually came majorly from the offshore guys.
This is the second trading day of the week. Is the central bank still pounding the debt market with these PMA and open market operations?
Yes, there's an auction. There's a primary auction tomorrow. About 33.8 billion will be on offer. That's for the 91, 182 days and 1 year maturity. Of course, the expectation is that yields might trend lower in that market at the auction. That's as a result of the low volume offered, and also because of the fact that the secondary market is already trading significantly lower. So, of course, if you go for the primary auction and it's a must win, you want to bid slightly lower in order to get filled.
Okay, so what's the playbook for the rest of the week from FBN Quest Merchant Bank, from your team?
Okay, for treasury bills, we expect the market to continue to trade at current levels. If there should be any change, that will be from the auction tomorrow. Then for the money market, we expect rates to remain low. There's still a bit of liquidity in the system. Market liquidity yesterday was about 112 billion. And we saw market trading around 40% levels. For bonds, market has been pretty much quiet. However, there's an auction next week, and we expect that to actually set the tone for market activities going forward.
Okay. Finally, the inflation on Monday with Q1 GDP. Then by this time on Tuesday, we'll be looking forward to hear from the Central Bank Monetary Policy Committee of their decision for the next meeting. So how do you take that on board at FBN Quest? What will be your take on that?
You mean at the next MPC this month?
Yes.
The last MPC there was an ease. We really don't expect there to be any change this month because naturally market is trading lower. That rates have dropped significantly compared to where we were in March and where we are now. So we really don't think the MPC will be making any changes this month.
And your outlook on inflation?
On inflation, we expect a downward trend, though maybe a slight downward trend, nothing major.
Okay, and both will not have any significant play in terms of fixed income, including the Naira debt for the month of May, which is still expected from the debt office?
Pardon?
Yes, I'm asking if both inflation and the MPC decisions next Tuesday will have any impact, in your view, on the May Naira bond auction by the Debt Management Office.
Okay, so there will be an impact if there is a change in those indices. But if nothing changes, we actually expect the regular demand to be the determinant factor in where the bond rates will stop, bond auction will stop. Other than that, we don't expect any significant changes in the market.
Ramat Baba, thank you very much. We appreciate your time. The chief fixed income dealer at FBN Quest Merchant Bank.